If you want to stop Epic Games Launcher from automatically updating your games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off auto updates in the Epic Games Launcher in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you want to control when games update, avoid surprise downloads, or save bandwidth for later. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon or your initials. This opens your account menu where you'll find a few launcher options. From that menu, select Settings. Now you'll be taken to the settings page for the launcher. Scroll down slowly until you reach the Manage Games section. This section controls a lot of the update behavior for your installed games, so this is exactly where we need to be. Once you find it, look for the option labeled Allow Auto Updates. By default, this is often enabled, which means your games can update automatically whenever Epic pushes a new version. To stop that, simply uncheck the box next to Allow Auto Updates. As soon as you disable it, future updates will no longer download automatically in the background, and that means you'll have more control over when and how your games update, which can be really helpful if you're on limited internet, using a slow connection, or just don't want a game changing before you're ready to play. After you uncheck the box, you can close the settings window and the change will stay in place. That's all there is to it. You've now turned off auto updates in the Epic Games Launcher. If this video saved you some time, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I post simple how-to tutorials just like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.